Okay, this is a short tutorial just showing you how to set up template JFT22. It's a very straightforward process, and we're just going to go through. We're going to install this default template which we've just created, and once it's installed I'm going to show you the module positions so that it all fits together nicely as it does on the demo site, and then you'll be able to modify it and tweak it to suit yourself. So I'm just going through the standard install process, and now I'm going to activate the template. So that's activated, gone through the front, refresh, and there we have the new template on the front of the site, and there's the animated flash clouds just starting to move across there at the top. So back into the admin, I'm going to go through into the module manager. I'm going to first of all disable the breadcrumb because it's a unsightly section at the top there, so just remove the breadcrumb module. Back into the module manager again. I'm going to sort the logo out, so custom HTML, click on next. Just name it anything because you're not going to actually show this in the front end, so logo or logo text is what I've put. Then we're not going to show the title, it is enabled, and we're going to put this in banner position 1, banner 1. I'm going to go across. If you're just going to use text, you can just type in what you want. You can use the WYSIWYG editor if you want, or if you've got a logo that you want to use, you can put the path to the logo. The logo that I'm using on this you can actually use on your live site if you want to. Obviously it'd be far better to choose something that's relevant to your site. I think that's correct. Underscore blue. Yeah, that's right. So I'm going to save that and come back to the front end and refresh. And there we go. So that's the logo in place. So we've got a few issues now. We've got the search box at the bottom, which we would need to move onto the right hand column. Just change position to right. Save, and we just refresh. It's now on the right. I think we'll move that down a touch lower. That's better. So in Menu Manager, there's a couple of things we're going to change. We want we're going to hide a lot of the default author and print. But I mean, if you want to leave these on for yours, you can. It's entirely your preference. We'll also take the show page title off, and we'll change the columns to 1 rather than 2. Let's see what that looks like at the front. We're going to lose the 2 columns underneath. We're going to lose the welcome to the front page. There we go. That looks a lot nicer. So latest news and popular. We'll put them underneath the main content. for this we can use user 4 and user 5 for latest news and popular content. Just refresh that, check that's worked in the right position. Yeah, there's latest news, and it will expand to take a full width. And we're going to now move the popular across as well. Let's just try pop. That's a lot better, a lot tidier. And now we need to put a menu on the right hand side, and we're going to put a home section on the menu on the top. Most people will look for the button for the home page from the top of the site. I'm doing this as an external link because we don't want to set it as a front page blog, because then we would have to redefine all the settings for the columns and whether or not to show the page title. Sorry, I've just had to restart the video there due to a phone call. So we've just added the menu, the home button on the top of the menu, and we're going to go through now, and we're also going to add the menu to the right hand side. It's currently published on the left, so all we've done is change the position of what it's published in to the right hand side. That should now update. Now we are on the right. Now we're just going to start the copyright at the bottom. Because there's nothing already published in the copyright position, we're going to create a new HTML, custom HTML. We'll call it copyright, and we'll hide the title. It'll be published in the copyright position. And then you're just going to simply put in the text that you want for your company copyright. It doesn't have to be used for that. You could put other text in there. You could put your company address and telephone number in there, as well as your copyright. Anything you want. But just for this example, we'll just put copyright. That should do us. And there we go. So if you do need any help in setting up your template, any problems, just drop by the website, send us an email. We're shortly going to be setting up a forum as well. So if you need help, do get in touch.